Dear customers, hi. Today we are going to talk about how to tackle the wear and tear of your trousers. The first thing you need to know is that wear and tear is inevitable. However, with the appropriate set of rules, you can make it happen so slowly that your trousers will last many years. Wool, linen and cotton are the three natural fibers that compose most premium trousers. These materials are very resilient, but they require proper care to last as long as possible. And like Superman, they have their kryptonites that makes them weaker. What is their kryptonite, I hear you say? Well, it's basically the combination of 5 factors. Number 1 is heat, number 2 is humidity, number 3 is stretch, number 4 is friction, and the last one, number 5, is accumulation of dirt. If you combine 2 or more of these factors at the same time and at the same areas, you will make the clothes of your trousers weaker at these specific places. Unfortunately, the combination of these factors is exactly what happens after a day of work. When you walk, when you bike, when you run, and even when you sit for extended periods of time. When you do run around from one meeting to another in your suits or in your casual trousers, you basically heat the fabric, you produce humidity, and you apply friction. So to avoid or limit the effect of these nasty combinations, I will give you a few recommendations. Number 1, let your suit rest on its hanger 48 hours minimum and after each wear. This is to shed the heat, to shed humidity and also some of the creases. Number 2, if you want a very slim fit at the hips and at the thighs, know that it will decrease the lifespan of your trousers. This happens because of the mechanical stretch you will apply to the clothes if you have a tight fit at these areas. Number 3, keep biking to a minimum. And if you have to bike, wear your toughest and most resilient trousers. Number 4, don't choose lightweight, thin and delicate clothes for office wear. Choose instead mid-weight, heavyweight and stronger weaves. Number 5, you have to brush your trousers regularly. You have to brush the area where it accumulates dirt, because dirt is bacteria's nest and bacteria will slightly degrade your clothes over time. What is kryptonite? Can you start again? All right, chin back. Your trousers? No, this is wrong. I need to wait now. There is no number 6, so I f***ed up with with the numbers, so probably need to do it again. Start again. Starting to get annoyed. You will have this, all of this on the bloopers again.